Night.
I've been born by the river in a little tent. Oh, but like the river I've been running ever since. It's been a long, long time coming, but I know change don't come. Oh, yes it will. So I'll go to the movies and I'll go downtown. I'll say, brother, don't hang around. It's been a long, long time coming, but I know.
No, this is, tell her who.
Sing. My daddy sang me that song.
And who sings that song normally?
Daddy.
Besides Daddy.
And Sam Cooke.
Sam Cooke.
Sam Cooke.
You can sing a duo. It's called a duo when your daddy sings and you sing along with him.
No, that's what I did not do.
Can you sing another Sam Cooke song?
Okay. Oh, don't you know that's the sound of the men working on the chain gang?
Not
oh,
baby
don't
talk.
you know that's the sound of the men working on the chain gang? Oh, don't you know that's the sound working on those highways and byways and wearing a frown? That's the sound of men working on the chain. Yeah. Oh, don't you know that's the man working on the set? Yeah.
Alone, working in the mines.
No.
She has no idea what she's singing.
Who?
Baki.
I thought your daddy taught you this song.
Right, it's working on the chain gang. Who knows what Baki's
Oh,
doing?
don't you know that's the sound of the men working on the
You're
chain?
doing great.
Yeah. Oh, don't you know that's the sound of the men working on the chain gang, working on those highways and byways, wearing a frown.
Can you frown?
Sweetie, that's wonderful.
That's your frown?
Yeah.
Okay, that's very cute. I'm going to send that to Daddy. Do you want to add anything else?
Okay. Silly cuckoo.
Maybe like I love you, Dad, or something like that?
Oh, reporting. Reporting, I love, dear. Reporting to wow.
You're so crazy.
Reporting.
Okay, why don't we try I love you, Dad, before I stop videoing?
Okay, I love you, Dad.
No, Alexandra.
I love you, Dad.